Hope.
Today's word is hope. Hope is believing that something good will happen, even when things are hard. Hope is like a sunrise. It reminds us that every day is a chance to start again. Kindness. Today's word is kindness. Kindness is showing care and love to others through your words and actions. Even the smallest act of kindness can make someone's day brighter. Think of one act of kindness you can do today. It could be as simple as a smile. Share your idea in the comments. Faith. Today's word is faith. Faith is like a light in the darkness. It helps guide your way. Faith is trusting in something you cannot see but feel in your heart.
Gratitude. Today's word is gratitude. Gratitude is being thankful for the good things in your life. Take a moment today to think about what you're thankful for. Write down 3 things you're grateful for today. Share one in the comments. Generosity. Today's word is generosity. Generosity is giving to others without expecting anything in return. A generous heart is the best gift you can share. Think of one way you can be generous this week. It could be your time, a smile, or a small gift. Peace. Today's word is peace. Peace is when there is no fighting and everyone lives in harmony. Let's create peace in our hearts and with others this season. Close your eyes and think about something that makes you feel peaceful. Share it with us in the comments. Please like and subscribe to get the daily Advent vocabulary word. Let's spread peace together this Christmas season. Joy. Today's word is joy. Joy is a deep happiness that makes your heart feel light. Joy grows when we share it with others. Think about something that brings you joy. Share it with us in the comments. Family. Today's word is family. Family are the people who love and care for you, no matter what. Family is the heart of every celebration. Think about something special your family does during the holidays. Service. Today's word is service. Service is helping others and making their lives better. Even small acts of service can make a big difference. Think of one way you can help someone today. Love. Today's word is love. Love is caring deeply for someone and wanting the best for them. Love is the greatest gift of all. Think of someone you love and tell them how much they mean to you today. Patience. Today's word is patience. Patience is waiting calmly, even when things take a long time. Good things come to those who wait. Think of a time you had to wait patiently. How did it feel? Community. Today's word is community. A community is a group of people who support and care for each other. A strong community makes everyone feel welcome. Think about one way your community helps you feel connected. Light. Today's word is light. Light is what shines and helps us see clearly, even in the dark. Even a small light can brighten the darkest night. Think of one thing or person that brings light into your life. Compassion. Today's word is compassion. Compassion is understanding how someone feels and wanting to help them. Compassion brings us closer to each other. Think of someone who might need kindness today. How can you show them compassion? Giving. Today's word is giving. Giving is sharing what you have to make someone else happy. Giving is the true spirit of Christmas. Think of something you can give today. It doesn't have to be big. Forgiveness. Today's word is forgiveness. Forgiveness is letting go of anger and choosing peace. Forgiveness heals the heart. Think of someone you can forgive and write a note to let them know. How do you feel after you have forgiven someone? Harmony. Today's word is harmony. Harmony is when everyone works together peacefully. Harmony makes life beautiful. Think of a way to bring harmony to your home or workplace. Warmth. Today's word is warmth. Warmth is the feeling of comfort and love, like a hug or a fire. Warmth is what makes us feel at home. Think of something that gives you warmth, physical or emotional. Friendship. Today's word is friendship. Friendship is the special bond between people who care for each other. Friendship is a gift we can treasure forever. Think of your best friend and let them know how much they mean to you today. Celebration. Today's word is celebration. Celebration is a joyful way to remember something special. Let's celebrate the joy of being together. What do you celebrate this season? Wonder. Today's word is wonder. Wonder is the feeling of amazement and joy when you see something beautiful. Let's find the wonder in each moment. Find the wonder in something today. Sharing. Today's word is sharing. Sharing is giving part of what you have to someone else. Sharing brings us closer together. Think of something you can share, a story, food, or even your time, and share it today. Please like and subscribe to get the daily Advent vocabulary word. Faithfulness. Today's word is faithfulness. Faithfulness is staying true to what you believe and to the people you love. Faithfulness is a light that never fades. Think of something you stay loyal to, such as your values, your family, or your dreams. Promise. Today's word is promise. A promise is a commitment to do what you say you will do. Let's keep our promises and build trust. Think of one promise you want to make for the season or for the new year. Birth. Today's word is birth. Christmas is a time to celebrate the birth of hope, light, and love. Birth is the beginning of a new life and a sign of hope and love. Reflect on a new beginning in your life or something you hope to start. Please like and subscribe to get the daily Advent vocabulary word.